It's a new 2019 Cadillac CTS sedan. One look at this masterpiece sets the expectations high. One drive in this CTS and expectations are exceeded. Features include integrated navigation system with voice activation, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, power heated mirrors, Ultra-View Express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, sport suspension, Bluetooth streaming audio, dual zone climate control, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. The only thing better than owning a Cadillac is driving a Cadillac. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 1-866-460-9587.